Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this look better. Let's get it. So I'm going to start off by just combing his hair. As you can see, he got some light spots in the front. I'm going to comb it out, and this is pre-wash. I didn't wash it yet. I'm going to take it down with my 1.5 guard, and I'm going with the grain. Now I'm going to take down everything evenly, but near the receding parts, I'm going to be real gentle. I'm going to kind of like graze off his head. So right here, I'm just kind of coming off the shape of his head to kind of avoid those light spots, because when we lay it down, it's gonna like match up with it, if that makes sense. Kind of like scooping out, kind of like flicking. Now his head shape is different. It's not like most clients. It cuts very light at the top, like near the crown. Basically on the head, there's usually 2 recession spots, obviously the 2 corners and then the crown, so 3 recession points. Now I'm gonna switch to my babulus, and I'm using the same guard, 1.5. This one cuts a tad bit shorter. I'm trying to even it out or make it look even as much as possible with those light spots. And now I'm gonna wash it. Now he hasn't gotten a haircut in months, so this is just a fresh start. And washing the hair makes it so much easier. Look at how better, it's laying down. So much better. It looks even now. Trust me, washing hair, your job gonna be a whole lot easier. So I'm gonna start the taper process. We're gonna do a mid taper, kind of gonna bring it up a little high. And yeah, I did a video on him. That was about 2 years ago now. Got like 700,000 views, but we back and we recorded on the phone this time. Last time I think I was using my camera. I just like recording on the phone. It's way better. Want a free haircut? Go to this link down below for more info. It gives it a more natural look. Like when you're watching this video, you kind of feel like you're here. It feels more relatable. When you're watching on the camera, at least to me, like a cinematic haircut, it's just like, all right, there's dope angles and stuff, but this ain't realistic. This ain't every day. I could just pull out my phone, and y'all saw the video with me and Wavy K Kev. I just pulled out my phone at the expo, just started recording. I could record anywhere with my phone. With a good ring light, oh, you're good. You don't need no extra gear. So for you guys wondering what I use to record, I'm using my phone every time. Every video, my phone. So we're gonna fade in his beard a little low. He also always requests me to push down his beard line to make it sharper. I recommended him a beard oil to use, and he's been growing his beard. It used to be like super patchy, but now it's actually filled in very nicely. If you guys go check out the old video of his beard. And we're gonna do the same taper on this side. As you can see, it's a clean mid taper. It's pretty high. I think it fits his head shape. And we're gonna do the same thing in the back. Kind of keep it like mid, right below his ears. We've been uploading daily. We do shorts on the weekends and 5 videos a week. So let's get it. New to the channel, you know what to do. Got my 3 guard on right now, just debulking at the top. Switch to my 2. Now I got my 1.5 going directly against the grain. And now we're going to do the shape up around on his nape line. Same thing for this side. So I'm gonna put some foam, even though his hair was real laid. The hair on his crown always sticks up, as you can see, so this is gonna lay it down nice. So I'm gonna make sure the do-rag's nice and tight, and then I'm gonna get started on his beard. So like I said, he likes his beard pushed down on the cheek line. So we're gonna push it down just a little bit, not make it a chin strap, but just push it down a little bit. Making the neckline sharp, complementing his face on both sides. So after I took the do-rag off, I of course put some alcohol and some hairspray, and now we're gonna start the shape up. So obviously, there's 2 big light spots, no denying that. So I usually like to make the connecting point over to where the hair begins again, so that you can establish the vertical bars. Now here on this C-cup, his skin always gets irritated. As you can see, I switched to my softer trimmer, but his skin just always turns red on this side. So I expected that. So we're gonna connect that line over here on the other side. And then we're gonna use enhancements. So I'm using the black color. He likes it very dark. He does request it like this. He doesn't like it light. Like he wants it to look dark. And for those saying after a shower it's gonna be gone, that's not true. It'll last a few days. Shout out Easy Blade. They sent me these new razors. Check them out. I'm using a black one right now. The one I'm showing on the right side. I like the way the blade tucks in it, keeps it secure. I'm gonna hit it with a freehand trim. Hit his mustache. This is how my client came in. Sheesh. Watch this. And this is how he's leaving. Totally different person. It's your boy 4. I'm out. Peace.